Hey guys, welcome back. So this is the huge iPhone lot and I'm pretty excited, so just get in very quick, just like this. So it's pretty heavy actually, so yeah. Oh my gosh, look inside of this. Wow, this is amazing. So let's just take all of this stuff out. So they're pretty much new parts, new casings, display. Here is a iPhone 3GS, 16 gigs with no dock, brand new white case. This is actually a 3GS display. Ooh. This is a 3GS cracked display. Does it turn on? Does not. Doesn't look too terrible, but the battery is expanding. So here's a battery. What's that? It's a screen. It's another screen and a SIM tray. Other screen. Other screen. Not cracked. Perfect. There are devices. So this is pretty good shape though, no display, no mainboard. Say 3GS, no dock. Say 3GS 8 gig new boot ROM, no dock. This is a 3G 8 gig, 3GS 8 gigabyte. Looks not too terrible though. This is a broken LCD. Yep. Broken LCD, he said, 16 gig, 3G, display. I just pull out these. This is a 16 gigabyte 3GS. Quickly check if there's any power. No power. 8 gig 3GS. This is a 8 gig 3GS too, but here you can already tell that it got some dead pixels. Oh, they're dirty, man. This is a 8 gig 3G. There are displays. Dock. Display. There are some parts and more disassembled ones. Oh my gosh. Let's put us over here. 32 gigabyte 3GS. Holy shoot. Look at this phone, man. The whole top part's missing. Wow. It was a 3GS. Brand new 3G. Wow. There's still the sticker here. This is in pretty dang good condition, man. Wow, super happy. This looks like battery though. It's not cool. Say 3GS. Here's a display. Sorry for that mess everywhere. Display. Brand new display. Mid-frame. Display. And display but cracked. So take out more of these. Oh shoot. 3GS. This is a 3GS. This is another 3GS 16 gig. A SIM tray. 3GS. Oh, that's badly cracked. That's a 3G. 3G 8 gig as well. Not a 3G 8 gig. And here no display. 3GS, 32 gigabytes. What do we got here? 3GS 8 gig, 3GS 16 gig, 3G 8 gig, water damage, 3G in pretty dang good condition. Wow, look at this. What are these points though? Might gotta remove them. This is 8 gigabyte, pretty good condition. This is a water damaged one. And there's something missing on the back, I'd say. This is a 3G 8 gig. This is a 3G 8 gig. This is... What does it say? It's French, so... Say 3GS, so voiceover turns on. But problem with the display, so... Put this aside. And then are these are the last, I guess. The last devices. Say 3GS 16 gig, camera, 3G 16 gig, but it's water damaged. This is a 3G 8 gig. It's part of the SIM card reader broken on here. This is a 3GS with no LCD, 16 gig, and this is a take back cover, 16 gig, no mainboard, no battery. But what else is in that box? So a vibrator, a cable from the top part, a home button, a camera ring, a mute switch, battery connector part, that's, I don't know what that is, and there is a screw, gotta get that out. So guys, this is it. I will just put them by side and count how many these are. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 iPhone 3G and 3GS. So guys, this is a lot of work there on my table, as you can tell. But I will try to fix as much as possible, check SSH blobs and stuff like that. So other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed this quick unboxing. It was, I know I'm pretty stressed right now. Sorry for that. And hope you liked this video. Hope to see you in the next video. And make sure to check my iPhone collection, so you can kind of include them as well, but I don't want to keep all of these, so yeah. So stay tuned for more videos and peace out.